Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market update for Thursday, September 16, 2021. First of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. So, like I told you on Tuesday, the market they pushed it back down, and they have been testing the 50-day moving average here. So as long as they can hold up here, they're looking for some kind of rebound. We are still not out of the wood yet. Let's see that they will do something similar to last year. They put up a little bit and then they slam down again, or this time they will be able to hold up like many previous support here, and then they continue to go higher. So we will monitor it, and then we'll let you know on the weekend to see where they are heading to. So if you look at the NASDAQ, it will also uh, uh, pull it back down, and then today they try to come back up. So let's see that tomorrow how far they can go up tomorrow here. In the short term, we're looking for some kind of rebound here. The Dow, it also found a support here, and then they try to find a way to put it up also. But the Dow a little bit weaker compared to the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. The Russell 2000, it still ran by between the top and the bottom here. So they put it up, they hit right into the sell zone, so they pull back down, so they found a support here. So if tomorrow they'll be able to lift it up, we're looking for a rebound to the upside again. If you look at the crude oil, it also tried to break out here. They hit it up. So right now they are right at the sell zone. So in order for them to go higher, they have to break this 73 level here and continue to test the pivot high. Otherwise, they still have a chance to come down back. Okay, so have to be careful. Let's see how they are going to do when they hit to this 73 level here. Gold, it still put it down, but they have a strong support at this level also. So they have been ran bound between the top here and the bottom here. So if they continue to drop, they have to stay below this line and go down further. But if they still stay above the 1,754.40, they still have a chance to back up. But overall chance is still bearish right now. Okay, and if you look at the Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is still try to move back and forward here. So $48,949 is very important level. If they be able to break about this one here, they will start moving up even further to test the high here. But if they fail to stay above the 48,449, they still have a chance to put it back down here before they can turn it up and continue to the upside in the future. It's very similar to Ethereum. The 3632 here is the important level that they need to break out in order to continue to move to the upside. Otherwise, they still have a chance to put it back down before they can move back up. If you look at the 11 sector of the S&P 500, most of them have been going down, like industrial, it's very weak compared to anyone out there. The material is also losing momentum to the downside there. But the energy they put up for one day, they hit right to resistance, so they have to have some problem here at this resistance level there. The financial sector, it also try to hold on to this one here. If they're able to clear it up, they can call back up. Otherwise, they are still go sideways right now. The best sector that we are looking at, that a technology. The technology is still very strong here. As you can see here, they pull back down, and then they have this line support them for many times, and now they try to hold on to it. As long as they can stay above the upper trend line here, they still be able to put it up to the upside. And in the technology stock, a lot of strong stock, and the best sector that doing right now, which is a semiconductor. So the semiconductor, this is the one that will lead the market to go higher if the market be able to hold up and turn around. So in the semiconductor right now, I give you three stocks that they have a potential to move up higher. First one is the applied material. So applied material have been stuck in the rainbow here for a while. So today they gain some momentum. If they can clear this resistance here, they will have a lot more room for the applied material to move. The next one is the AMD. The AMD, they hit it all-time high here, and then after that they pull back. So now they pull back to the support. So if they be able to get back up here, AMD will continue to put it up to the upside. And the next one here is TXN. Okay, this is a Texas instrument. So this stock also have been range-bound for a while here. So right now they try to test this line here. If they be able to punch to this level, Texas instrument will have a chance to move further into the future. Okay, so let's take a look to see how they lay out, and then we will go from there. And the another sector, they doing well, but and then for the last week they have been pushed back down. That's a healthcare and biotech, because a lot of pharmaceutical stock they have been hammered, so they put this sector down. But right now they are at the support. If they be able to push it back up, they have a chance to bounce back. Okay, so you pay attention for that. And another one is in the Russell 2000. This one here is the still range-bound on the top and the bottom here. But if they be able to hold the support here, we're looking for the rebound for the Russell 2000 with a lot of small cap stock and some of the strong one that you can see here, like Palantir Tech. So this one here have a big base here. They'll be able to break out today, so the momentum is still into the upside there. Another one is also, this one is the software sector, but a couple small stock they try to rebound back today, like Bombi, okay, and FTY. Okay, so those stocks they try to looking for to put it up higher. And in terms of building and the heavy construction, so those stocks they still get stuck at this level, but they try to gain some momentum. If they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to put it up to the upside. Okay, so let's see how the market doing. So this is all I have for you on Thursday, and hopefully tomorrow the market will be able to find some support here, and we're looking for a short-term rebound, and then we will see where they're heading to, and we will inform you on the weekly market forecast. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy my analysis. If you like it, please click the thumb up like button below, and any suggestion, please let me know. Okay, so that's all I have for you. So thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.